Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes using Wealthsimple Tax. First, gather all your essential tax documents, such as T4 slips, Form 1099, and any other income or deduction records. Next, create a new account or log into your existing Wealthsimple Tax profile. Ensure you select the correct tax year to begin your filing process accurately. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient experience. Now it's time to input your financial information. Carefully enter all income details, including employment earnings, investment gains, and any other sources. Don't forget to claim all eligible deductions and tax credits. These can significantly reduce your taxable income. Wealthsimple Tax guides you through each section, making the process straightforward. Always double-check your entries for accuracy before moving on. Before filing, take advantage of Wealthsimple Tax's review features. The system automatically identifies potential errors and suggests missed deductions, helping optimize your return. Consider if additional contributions to an RRSP or TFSA could further reduce your tax liability. Also, confirm all personal details, like your social insurance number, are accurate. This step is crucial for maximizing your refund or minimizing your balance owing. Finally, it's time to submit your tax return. Wealthsimple Tax allows you to electronically file directly with the tax authorities. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation number, which is important for your records. If you owe taxes, you can arrange payment, or if you're due a refund, set up direct deposit for quick access to your funds. Congratulations, you've successfully filed your taxes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.